first course, the appetizer, I would give it it was like sushi, to be honest. That thing, I know it looks fried, but it wasn't. And this was their famous dumplings, and this was a 10 out of 10. I eat off Tamara dumpling, and she feed them to me, and I ate. This was their ribs, braised ribs, and and risotto. Oh my gosh, when I tell you that was bussin'. And this was their salmon in green curry. The people that want to take the green curry never sounds so happy, but I loved my ribs and their pumpkin cheesecake. Bussin', okay? Bust, you know me, loves the bussin'. And this chocolate cake, okay? I loved it way more than my pumpkin cheesecake. It was so good.